Bamboo. Ha? How about the small bamboo naman? Ha? How about the small bamboo?
Small bamboo?
If we go to the mountain, we get na. Ha? Oh, wait. Then I will make video. No need to go inside? Okay. Punta kami dun sa baba. Why you didn't borrow to, this clean the things in the down? Bilha! Nice!
What na? No need to tell you make my daughter making my daughter one so please.
I want na.
Like this give you make the bedroom in here. You alone with some stay here.
Can naman.
Every day I have to do smoke over here so that's the bed.
Can naman. So now we can clean already. You go where? In here. Nakapaglinis na sila. B, they put something in there? Vegetable? Huh? They plant something in there? Where? All in the room naman, inside. They make vegetable in there?
The floor.
Uy. Mina, what is this tree? Orange? Wala kaming susi. Kaya makapasok sa bahay. Nagtabas na dito. Nung nakaraan sobrang dumi nito. Huh?
Not to come.
But they put medicine in here, not yet also. Why don't we clean ourselves na? Huh? Why don't we clean it by ourselves na?
You need to pick water in here. You can make it inside. You know na?
No, only this one. Same like, bubunutin mo lang na ganyan. Gagamas naman ako dito. Cannot finish, but at least we can.
It's how we transfer the tea because you might have to in here.
We can clean naman. Bina. We can clean also naman. Go here. No do anything. That's so boring also. Same naman. Only looking. Ewan ko sa'yo. I want to clean in there nga eh. Bina! I want to clean in there nga.
You alone to react, please. Okay.
Kahit naman. Give me the things.
Then we can go to the city. Have farewell again. This one's so hard.
Give me the things. Ha?
Huh?
Give me the things nga. Magsi-swimming kami. Hello, hello guys. Let's go mag-swimming. Ito mga ilog pa lang doon sa ano, may malalim na parte. They are making the house in here also, be? They making the house in here also?
This was in this house. This came this one. They only can make me looking at.
Let's go, let's go. Ha? Ang ganda ng palig. Balo ka na naman ah. Talagang pusang gawa na. In there, diba? In the up pa. Ito kami dati. Ito talaga kung saan dumahan-daan.
Go.
Oh.
Yes, it's in here.
Have ano also in there? Have deep water in there also? It's so hot. Where can we? Where can we put the things? Why no have the trees in here na? Before have tree, diba? Diba? It's so crazy na. You go there na. I sit in here. I will make video in there. Oh my god, it's so cold. The water is so cold, be. Malamig na malamig ang tubig. Ang lalim dun, oh. Feeling ko may mga isda ulit dyan. Ayun nga, dami. Oh my god. We have so many fish in there. I forgot my my net. In there, oh. My god, so many fish. In there, oh. Ayun, ganda. Ang ganda mag-swimming. Maganda, malalim yung ano. Ano. You go. Go swimming. Bina, look, so many fish. I told you kasi you buy me these things. You looking, oh my God, so many fish. Why you so good?
Why go down?
You go down. You find big, same like this one. You go there.
This one. Sorry, you know,
So now you go there na nga. Ewan ko sa inyo.